right now, we're going big with some deep sea fishing.
Hey, Captain, how you doing? Guy Fieri. Nice to meet you. Marlon? What a great name. Who gave you that? Is that your pops?
Marlon's talking about his dad, Captain Jeff, who's taking us out to sea. But I've also brought a crew with me. My son Hunter, nephew Jules, another Hunter, Hunter Betts, who's a local restaurant owner and avid fisherman, plus 2 Triple D buddies, Reno and Nakoa. We're launching from Ma'alaya Harbor to see if we can catch some dinner.
Guys ready to roll?
Goodbye.
And these guys know where the fish are biting.
This all used to be one big super volcano, so this is all the Alinui Plateau. But this right here, this is a ledge where it goes from like 600, drops off to like 1,200. And then when that current goes from the deep water to the shallow water, it causes an upwelling, pushes up all the nutrients up off the bottom, and then that's where the ecosystem starts, right? That's where you get the little microorganisms, the shrimp, and the tiny stuff. That brings in the bait fish, brings in the bigger fish, and then what we're after is the marlin today.
Gosh, look how beautiful. There's something about coming out here and seeing the islands and touring around and the anticipation of the big one.
Fish is on. I got this value. Is it on?
There, it's on, it's on.
And everyone's on deck and everyone's in go mode and the adrenaline's pumping. Ah! Come on, Josie.
Go get him, Jewel.
Yeah, baby. That's
Nice. There you go, Jules.
That's poke, yeah.
At least we got dinner.
Ahi tuna poke is my favorite, so I'm excited for tonight. We're surrounded by a ton of fish. Let's see if we can keep it going. Oh, he's on the stinger! Stinger! Here we go! Yeah, baby!
We got some dinner, brother. Mahi.
Right?
Wow.
That had a whale on there. That's a hot mess.
Yeah.
That was a great trip. Jules caught a yellowfin. I caught a big mahi. That was awesome.
We're gonna take our catch back to base camp in Wailea to link up with Lori Ryder and a bunch of friends from back home.
They don't know about the fish, so they'll be surprised. We ordered up a bunch of food. We have a bunch of our Triple D friends showing up. It's gonna be a good party. Good way to wrap out the day. So, brother, let me see this.
That's yours.
That's the one I caught. Check out what Jules caught.
Jules caught that one.
Look at that. Oh, that's good poke right there.
Let's break it down.
The other Hunter owns South Maui Fish Company and is a fishing guru, so this isn't his first rodeo.
Back salad, fish tacos.
All right, so with the tuna, you gotta kind of trace out all your lines. So you make small, shallow cuts just through the skin.
The 2 hunters are working on the mahi so we can make Jamaican jerk fish tacos while Reno and Jules tackle the tuna.
Reno came all the way over from Oahu to do some poke.
I want to make a ahi limu. So limu is seaweed.
Ahi tuna is definitely my favorite kind of poke.
This is looking good.
Okay, so to the head.
Yeah, just use the blade lightly and go all the way to the center. My favorite thing about mahi-mahi is that it's probably the healthiest fish you could eat. Their lifespan's only about 2 years. With that short lifespan, they're not so susceptible to mercury or any other type of contamination.
So whenever you do poke, you always want to put your dry ingredients first. Because if you put wet, then it's not going to mix good, you know what I mean? Okay. So we'll sprinkle some salt on top. And then this is inomona, some sesame oil. Put a handful of the round onion inside. And then green onion. And then we'll put our seaweed.
This is it?
That's it, brother.
This is it. Cheers, guys. So simple, fresh ingredients, always comes out dynamite.
Easy, huh?
Love it.
Anybody jump in the way they want to jump in.
And now that the fish is prepped, a few other Triple D chefs and I can finish the job.
So we have Three's Barn Grill. We have Kyle from Maui Fresh Streetery. We've got Outriggers Pizza. And we got Chris from Fat Daddy's.
How many chefs does it take to make a bowl of slaw?
Here's how we want to round things out. We've been coming to Hawaii for a long time, and this Triple D family is amazing. It's a pleasure and an honor to have you here. So,
Yes.
cheers.
Thank you, guys.